and today we're going to speak about colours. When we think about the shrubs, we all think that they are green, boring, and ever so often we see the flowers on them, but some of the varieties are particularly interesting in my opinion. The things what I like about the shrubs, obviously, that they stay all year round with us. They don't die, and they don't die over the winter, and we don't have to replace them with new plants. And they bring a lot of interesting colors and a lot of interesting shapes to our garden. One of the plants I would like to speak today is Nandina. At the moment we're growing several varieties. That's some of the young plants that will be going in a few weeks time for sales. We're growing 4 or 5 different types of Nandina. You can see the different types of leaves, the different types of colors, and think about combining them with your borders in the garden. If you see the different shapes and the different colors of the leaves, this variety, particularly now, which is about April, May time, June, all the leaves, you can see the all nice colorful leaves coming through. Some of the varieties of Nandina, they are prone to temperatures, and the colors of the leaves will be changing with the changing environment outside. So if we're going to have like very strong cold winter, that might affect the color, and the colors they will be much sharper on the beginning of the year. And the varieties you see here, they're mainly developing the colors in the summer. As you see, all the new grow, all the young shoots, they're coming with a bright colors. Then the leaves, they changing to the darker green, but they're starting with this nice purple. Each of the variety has got their own habit and their own way of growing. You can see that the leaves on this one, they do from white through pink to green. So it's definitely very, very interesting addition to what we do in our gardens, and I highly recommend. Thank you very much.